Hey fam, before the video gets started, I need to let you guys know that there is a free giveaway that you guys could enter. All you guys have to do is watch the video all the way through to not miss out on how to enter. But let's get today's video started. What's up fam, thank you for tuning in to another video. It's Frankie, and as you saw by the title, I'm gonna get straight to it. What I have in this box right here is gonna change the interior game for the Kia Stinger. Let me get to showing you what's inside of this box real quick. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my 2020 Kia Stinger GT2. Everything you could think of cosmetically is done to the car except for a wide body kit. Let's get to opening this box. This video is brought to you by Seoul Carbon. Make sure to go check out the link below if you guys want to cop yourself what we got going in this box. So what we got right here is literally carbon galore. Like the most you could think of carbon for a Kia Stinger, but for a obtainable price, something cheap, not $1,000 for a freaking dash. This is affordable for you guys. Literally, Seoul Carbon is sponsoring today's video, so make sure you go check out the products and get yourself some carbon fiber for your interior of the Kia Stinger, because these things are game changer. Fam, look at how much carbon fiber we got going on right here. This car is gonna literally become carbon fiber right now. Literally everything you could think of for the interior we have in carbon now. Side pillar carbon fiber, door card carbon fibers. We have the little strips that go at the back end of the window for the gear. This is for the freaking switches on the side door. Center console, like dude, this is crazy. Look at how much carbon fiber. Remember, all this is affordable. This is not that expensive ass stuff that you find. I don't know why they mark up so much as if this is like a Mercedes. They mark up everything, all parts for this. This is literally affordable and obtainable. And the best part is, it's not no cheap quality stuff. It's that good stuff, carbon fiber. Let me show you guys real quick. This is all overlay, so you don't have to worry about removing pieces and damaging and breaking clips. Literally, this goes on top and fits flush. So remember to use Rise Carbon and save. I promise you guys want to get this before they run out, because honestly, how affordable it is, I think they're gonna run out quick and it's gonna all be on back order. So get yourself some carbon fiber for your Kia Stinger. Look, this is for the switches on the side of the doors, and look at how much it's glistening under the sun. This looks beautiful, dude. Remember, this is real carbon fiber underneath. Now I'm gonna get to installing all this carbon. All you pretty much need is some alcohol and a clean microfiber towel just to wipe down the surface area, and then you could get to putting on these. It's very easy. You could do this in under an hour, and like I said, very affordable. First piece going in is the one for the screen. Got the alcohol ready. I love this because now it's gonna match with the dash we got. And literally, you take the 3M tape off and let it sit. Dude, this thing looks sick. Get the fuck off my bike. Dude, look at how good that looks. Oh my gosh, dude, that thing looks so beautiful. Up next is the air vents. Dude, oh my god. Very nice. Now for some door action. Y'all thought it's just the center. Even the doors are included. Yo, dude, look at how nice that looks. What the heck? Just this piece alone. What? Bro, that's so freaking sick. Look at that. What the fuck? This piece alone is what I'm so excited for. This part of the center console is like notorious for getting super scratched, and those scratches don't go away. Like this looks like hair, but it's literally scratches. It just doesn't go away. And now you can protect it with this and also give it that glistening shine that carbon fiber does. And dude, oh my god, I'm so excited. I was like, please make this available, and this finally is available and affordable. Oh my god, look at that, dude. What the heck? That is so beautiful. Is this nice?
Nah. Yes, it is. Damn.
Oh wow, I can't wait till this whole piece is covered in carbon. One trick I suggest is having your fingers wet. That way you're able to slide them across and get all the air bubbles off, because if your fingers are dry, you're just going to be getting stuck. So wet them up and then you're able to squeegee them in. You don't want to be using a real squeegee because then you're going to just be scratching on to the carbon.
Is that real carbon?
Yeah. Now this is the piece I'm most excited for. I'm going to just clean off the surface area. Make sure all the dust and any contaminants that might be in the way from adhering are off. And this piece goes like all the way back here, so you gotta clean all of this. Look at that fitment, dude. These guys don't mess up. Like, look at this. Perfect fitment. Holy crap, dude. These guys are good. I remember back then when these things barely came out from other companies, the fitment was ass, but one small piece missing for the center. Damn, dude. Look at that. What? Yo, bro, this shit's crazy. Look at all that carbon, dude. Damn, bro, even the doors, that's so nice. Putting all the little bits on, and once I'm done, I'll get back to you guys, because it is getting dark. And, dude, once it's finished, it's going to be game changer. I'm going to cue up a cinematic in 3, 2, 1. Fam, don't forget to enter the giveaway to win these carbon fiber pillars for the Kia Stinger. All you have to do is go follow Seoul Carbon and go comment down below and put "Let's Go Seoul Carbon" in the comments. Don't forget you need to subscribe and like this video. And once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we'll pick a fan to win these carbon fiber pillars. So gonna be throwing this one in for you guys. I didn't stick it on because I kind of am a fan of the black to have contrast with all that carbon. But remember, you could win this, including the pillars that go on the side of the windows. All you have to do is what's listed. So remember, these pillars go on the side of the door like this to give a bunch of carbon fiber on the side. But me, I'm not really rocking carbon fiber. You guys know me well. If you guys are true subscribers, you guys know that I don't really dig carbon fiber on the exterior. I mean, this we're gonna be getting black, and then this we're gonna be painting black, even though it's forged carbon fiber. I like to just have a one-tone color type of car, and then some matte black as well, because this build is going to be a stealth build. I could just imagine how good these would look. But remember, these are going in the giveaway, so make sure to go enter that giveaway. It's free. And remember, there's even carbon fiber for the sides here. If you guys didn't have these weather guards, you could literally just put them on or remove them, put these on, and then put these weather guards back on. But regardless, imagine how good they would look next to this carbon fiber. Damn, dude. There's even carbon fiber that goes on the pillar in the back here. But this kit did not miss. There's even carbon for the people that sit in the back. Right here, looks OEM, looks flush. Whenever I got buddies in the back, they're gonna be like, yo bro, this dude got carbon all the way back here too, god damn. But dude, Seoul Carbon hit it off perfectly. Like, look at that. Carbon fiber for the sides here to match. the flow we got going on here, even around the air vents. Everything sits flush and perfect, doesn't peel off, no issues, no problems. Like, look at that. I was riding at night with this and I was like, dude, underneath just the light from the interior, it just glows and glistens so good. If you ever got your mom in here or a baddie, they're gonna be like, god damn, how much is this car worth? This is a Mercedes or what? Because dude, look at that. This shit looks so freaking good. I didn't think the Stinger could look better, but with just this, it complements the car so much better. It flows so well, looks OEM. I love it. Seoul Carbon did a fantastic job with the fam. Just look at the fitment. Like, at no point do you see any areas here that don't fit perfectly. It all flows well. I mean, look at that, dude. That is some good ass fitment right there. And this is something I didn't imagine that would happen, but they even got carbon fiber for the top here. This is the piece I put in first, and alone with just that piece, it completely changed the interior of the car. It complements it so much better. I mean, just look at this, dude. And it's not no cheap material either. And my Stinger fam knows that the metal trim underneath, well, it's actually plastic, but to look like brushed metal or brushed aluminum, scratch is very easy and also dense. Like, literally, if you drop your phone from here and hits that like trim, plastic trim, it leaves a big old dent that you can't remove, and those hairline scratches you can't remove. But with this carbon fiber, it now covers it up and protects it. Literally, you could drop your phone from here and it won't do nothing to this. Like, literally, this is some good material here. You don't have to worry about this thing getting scratched either. So fam, imagine you're at the beach, you got a beach view, right? Watching the sunset. You're watching me on the big screen too, and then you got all this carbon fiber going on, and then your baddie here. Dude, this is such a vibe. It literally is such a game changer for the Kia Stinger. It doesn't even feel like I'm in a Stinger no more at this point. I feel like I'm in a Benz. Like, look at all this carbon. Got the red guts. All right, fam, that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys did enjoy, please go hit that like button. Also subscribe, you guys, and don't forget to enter this free giveaway we got going on. It'll finish at 10,000 subscribers. Rules are down in the description below. Follow Seoul Carbon. But that's gonna be it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.